Hey, so we're going to talk about subtraction of polynomials. This is actually kind of like maybe another problem of the day because I am breaking this lesson up. So we're staying with adding and subtracting polynomials, and the previous video was addition. So now we're going to talk about subtraction. So to understand this, let's look at just this statement here. We got negative or the opposite of this. So that's what that's saying. So it's like saying the opposite of that. So when we do that, that's what you get. All right. And then so that's going to basically like saying a negative times a negative, positive, negative times a negative is that. So that gives you makes that a positive 5x, and that makes that a negative 3, and then you can just change it to that. All right, so now let's look at the difference. So basically, if that didn't have parentheses here, we would just be subtracting negative 4x, and everything else would just stay the same, but we're not doing that. We're subtracting the entire thing here, the entire thing. So what's that look like? So we're going to change this minus sign in the middle right here to a plus. We're going to change that. So you're going to see it change here in a minute. So we're distributing the negative sign out, and it changes it to a plus. All right, so that's the same as saying plus a negative distributed out. And so now you have a new statement right there. So the signs have changed with a plus sign in the middle. Now you can use the stack method, which is my preferred method, or the vertical one. So let's put it in standard form, descending order, 4x squared minus 3x plus 5, the descending order of exponent. So we're going to do that. And then now we're going to stack them. Stack them, and right there. I want to hide that right there. All right. Perfect. And then there's your result. And then here's the horizontal method. So you take the same, you've already distributed it out the change it to plus and distribute it out the negative. So now just add up the like terms. This is all right. So put the like terms together, add them all up. Boom. There it is. All right. Same answer. All right. So there's some practice for you to do. All right. So again, we're going to change this to a plus, and that's going to make that a positive 6r, that a minus 3r, and that a minus 8. And then rewrite, and then stack them, or at combine like terms. From there, once you get it, because basically once you get it to a plus and you've changed the sign, then you treat it just like the addition problems, just like the previous one. So should be good. All right, so let me get out of that.